quick piece of advice. If you ever crack the back camera lens of your iPhone, the camera lens covers, the glass bit, if you ever crack it, please get it replaced immediately. If you crack it, any amount of dust that gets through there could scratch the actual lens of your camera, and that will result in you needing to have a camera replacement as well as a lens replacement. We've had a few in the past couple of weeks where the camera is also damaged, and that's going to cost you double, triple than a single lens. If you unfortunately damage a back camera lens, please get it replaced as soon as possible.